EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and Robotics Solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to control LED using single character commands. For this experiment, we will require an Arduino UNO, an LED, a resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. So, let's start building. Step 1. Insert an LED on the breadboard. Step 2. Connect one end of the resistor to the longer leg of the LED anode and use the jumper wires to connect the other end of it to the digital pin 9 on the Arduino. Connect the short leg of the LED cathode to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Step 3. Use jumper wires to connect the power rails of the breadboard to the 5 volts and ground pins of the Arduino. Step 4. Connect the Arduino to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Arduino. This program will allow us to control the LED using the single character commands. You can download this code from the video description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.